So as you can see, we're on another adventure. Welcome. If you haven't joined us before, my name's Sarah.
And I'm Robert.
Come a bit closer, Robert. I think he's trying to escape. So we are currently in a hotel in Edinburgh.
Yep.
Near to the airport. We can actually see the runway right now. So we are staying at the Holiday Inn Express just by Edinburgh Airport, because tomorrow we fly to
Disneyland Paris.
So we can't wait. We're really excited. So this is our pre-travel day. I'm not sure how much we film. This might go into travel day, we don't really know. We'll wait and see how it goes. We've just arrived. Robert's been working.
Yep.
I've had the day off, so we can't wait to show you. My hair's gone mental because it's been so warm today. It's to be... oh, there's a Eurowings plane taking off. You might be able to hear them, I don't know. So I've had the day off, been doing all the housework, everything like that, getting caught. I don't know if anybody else before they go on holiday does loads of housework. I do. I don't even know why, because nobody's going to see it. Your house is all locked up. And everything like that. But anyways, the hotel's a wee bit further away from the airport than what we kind of thought, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So I think...
but it's a lot cheaper.
Oh, it was a lot cheaper anyway. So basically we are going to stay here the night. They do a shuttle for a couple of pounds each. So in the morning we'll go and get that. Breakfast is included, our parking's included. It's secure parking, which was quite good because we'd had an incident before with another hotel where our car actually got vandalised, and you know, that's another story. So we're looking forward to taking you along with us. I've probably waffled on long enough. We'll do a wee room tour just now, so we'll switch over to that, and then we'll take you down to dinner. And front door. Door. You've got one of your wee keys to do all your lights and stuff like that. As you come in, to your right, ironing board and iron. You've got some spare towels, some hanging space, and you've got your luggage holder. There's a wee bin, your safe, and a kettle, and then some more storage up there. To your left is the bathroom. Nice, bright, spacious. Seems quite decent. Walk-in shower, really quite big. We've got Sarah. Toilet, sink. What is it? Some nice Scottish fine soaps. Refillable stuff. Seems decent. There's a hot towel rail behind the door. Nice big full length mirror. Really comfy bed. We've tested that already. As you can see, that's why it's a bit crumpled. There's plug sockets down below the mirror. There's a nice big standing lamp. A nice big Philips flat screen TV. Robert's obviously already got it on. A couple more plug sockets below the TV. Some more storage. A fan, because obviously it's roasting right now. A nice desk if you want to do your work or that kind of thing. I'll have to get ready in the mirror over there, but at least there's a plug for my straighteners and different stuff. You've got a sofa, which I'm assuming, check and see if that turns into a bed. I'm assuming it will. Pull the... yep. Turns into a bed, which is quite good. There's a plug socket next to this side of the bed, but not on the other side, so Robert's good tonight because that's his side. And we have a runway view, which is really good. So hopefully we'll get some shots of some planes taking off. We've probably watched how many, about 4 or 5 already?
Yeah. 4
or 5 planes.
Yeah, it's quite busy this time of day.
It's quite busy this time of day, isn't it? So guys, we will hope you enjoyed our wee room tour. Tomorrow morning we intend to do a bit of a hotel tour, because I've got time to do it. It's good obviously to see if you stay and you're going to Edinburgh Airport where it is at. So we're going to go get dinner just now, get ourselves organised, and then see what else. We just come down to dinner. Robert's got a wheel.
Yep, haddock and chips. Big haddock.
Big haddock. I've got the classic burger. Yeah, it's pretty big. We'll show you the menu in a wee minute. We're going to tuck in and then we'll give you a review of the food shortly. We've come back up to the room. We didn't really vlog much downstairs, so a big, massive tour group came in. Literally on the last clip, about 3 seconds after that, didn't they?
Yeah.
So they were everywhere, and I'm talking like about 50 people or something. Ridiculous like that. Like literally just took over the kind of dining room area. Wow. Here it is special today. Never mind. Anyways, yeah. So it was like not great to like vlog because you probably wouldn't have heard us. No. And all that, there was a lot going on, wasn't there?
Yeah, but it's good to chill out.
Yeah, so we had a couple of drinks, dinner, right, so what's your review on your dinner?
It was great, it was really worth the money. It was about £15 for my haddock and chips, and it was cheaper for your burger, wasn't it?
Yeah, mine was what, 12 or so?
Yeah, but then you added
onion rings just cause.
So that's £1 extra.
So that was quite good. So, and we really enjoyed it, didn't we?
Yeah.
I would say the food, so if you've seen our last series, and we'll link that down below, and up in the corner there.
Yeah, let's go for that, yeah.
We'll go for that corner. So
that corner.
we'll link that down below. We stayed at the Hampton by Hilton, which is just further down the road. I would say that this
food is better.
Food here, yes,
in Britain there's a pub called Wetherspoons where you can buy food and stuff, and it wasn't that much more expensive than Wetherspoons, but it was a lot nicer.
Yeah, I would say that the hotel room here is maybe not as nice as the hotel room at the Hampton by Hilton, but only just by a tiny wee bit. But the actual hotel and the food here is nicer.
Yeah, I think the food, for any of our friends from Florida, we absolutely love Florida, and we like going to Miller's Ale House. And it's probably on par with Miller's Ale House for food.
I would say Miller's is a tiny bit better.
I think so.
Yeah. But it's not far off it.
For any of our Florida viewers, you can let us know down below if you like Miller's or if you like any other restaurants in Florida.
We can go to them for you.
We'll try it out for you.
Yeah, so yeah, we really enjoyed dinner. We're just back at the room to chill because it was getting really, really noisy in the down the stairs, and sometimes I kind of struggle with that. So like, just because I don't hear so great, so starting to try and have conversations with Robert was starting to get a bit hard, because we were just wanting to sit and chat, which is what we had been doing, and then obviously they come in and I've started to find it hard to hear them. So we've come up here. Robert's got himself some beer,
some soccer or football on tonight, so I'll watch that.
His team's playing tonight.
Rangers versus Feyenoord, so we don't know the result, but I'll let you know some more.
They'll probably lose.
Or next week.
So yeah, we are going to chill in the room for a wee bit, and I don't really know, watch some TV. He'll watch football. I'll not, because his team's rotten.
Let's say his team isn't in Europe anymore, guys.
So yeah, I'll probably, I don't know if you can hear outside, but there's a plane just taken off.
Yeah.
So I might see if I can get some footage of that, and we shall see what else we can get up to this evening. Really nice time chilling. Yep. Robert's team won. That lighting's terrible again. I've got the telly on. Robert's going to make me watch Air Force One before we go to bed.
Yeah, it's a really good film.
Apparently so. I'm not very good at watching films. I think if you've watched our vlogs before, this is a thing that I say quite a lot. Not very good at watching the films. Robert's glowing there. You've got a wee halo on the go. I think it's because that light's on in the background. We'll probably see if there's any more planes taking off, because you know that's quite interesting to watch as well. And we'll catch you guys in the morning, and we'll continue on with this vlog in the morning.
Yeah.
Because we're going to go down to breakfast, and we'll show you breakfast, and then we'll take you to the airport.
Yeah.
So we'll catch you guys in the morning.
Yep, good night.